This is the all-new Google Pixel Watch 5. Today we're going to unbox it, see what's inside. We have the 45mm LTE version, Wear OS by Google. The form factor is pretty much the same as the Pixel Watch 4. We've got some massive new software updates. And I don't know about this box, but it looks super sleek. There's something about this visual that looks cool. This slides right off. Oh, you see the watch right here. Oh, already broke it. Slide out the top and the bottom. Nothing inside. I'm assuming the watch is in here. There it is. 45mm. I don't know why it looks like a piece of like shiny jewelry. Wow, looks clean, aesthetic. We've got the little digital crown right here. The bands are gonna go inside there. Heart rate monitor, speaker, and the beautiful screen. Will it power up? Google Pixel Watch 5. Now, I don't love this, but we got new chargers last year. Luckily, the charger this year is the same. I just wish the Fitbit and the Pixel Watch chargers were the same. Like, why do I have to have two different chargers? We got these silicone bands. They also have the Steph Curry bands, which I really want to try. So comment below if you want to see those. We got different lengths based on your wrist size. Instructions on how to insert it. Press into the slide and slide in. Boom, watch bands are on, it's ready to connect, and then we're gonna charge this device. It looks clean, very similar. That is the Google Pixel Watch 5 unboxing. The review is gonna come very soon, so comment below questions that you have, and I can go ahead and answer them as best as I can when the review and the full testing of this watch gets launched. Subscribe to notifications, follow me at Shervin Shares, at Shervin Shares Reviews. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.